Don't underestimate what a simple banana and a little Vaseline can do for your skin. With the right combination, these two everyday ingredients can become a rich homemade skincare cream. Stay until the end, and I'll show you exactly how to make it. Let's start with one fresh, ripe banana. First, carefully peel the banana using a clean knife. Once the peel is removed, place the banana into a clean mixing bowl. Now take a spoon and mash the banana thoroughly until it becomes a smooth, soft paste. Banana contains water and naturally occurring nutrients, and when used in a simple homemade skincare mixture, it can help give the skin a softer, more conditioned feel. Add baking soda. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add it directly into the mashed banana. Baking soda is commonly used in homemade beauty routines. Because of its cleansing properties, next comes cinnamon. Add a small amount of cinnamon to the mixture and stir it in thoroughly. Cinnamon is traditionally used in DIY skincare because of its antioxidant properties, but it can also be irritating for some people. So this is one ingredient where less is definitely more. Now let's bring in one of the most important ingredients, honey. Add 2 teaspoons of honey to the bowl. Honey is well known for its humectant properties, which means it can help attract and retain moisture on the surface of the skin. That makes it a great addition when the goal is a softer, more moisturized feel. And now the ingredient that gives this mixture its rich, moisturizing texture, Vaseline. Add 2 teaspoons of Vaseline. Petrolatum, the main ingredient in Vaseline, works as an occlusive. In simple words, it helps form a protective layer over the skin that reduces moisture loss. This is especially useful when your hands feel dry or rough. Now it's time to bring everything together. Using your spoon, mix the banana, baking soda, cinnamon, honey, and Vaseline thoroughly. Keep mixing until the ingredients are evenly combined and you get a smooth, creamy-looking mixture. Take your time with this step. The smoother the mixture, the easier it will be to spread evenly over your hands. Now we're ready for the application. Start with clean, dry hands. Take a small amount of the mixture and gently spread it across the hands. Make sure you cover the backs of your hands, around the fingers, and the areas that tend to feel especially dry. There's no need to scrub aggressively. Simply massage the mixture gently and evenly across the skin. Once the hands are completely coated, put on clean plastic gloves. The gloves help keep the mixture in place while you let it sit. Now leave it on for approximately 5 minutes. While it rests, the moisturizing ingredients stay in contact with the skin instead of immediately rubbing away. Now carefully remove the gloves. Take your time so you don't unnecessarily pull or irritate the skin. Next, rinse your hands thoroughly with clean, lukewarm water. Make sure all of the mixture is completely removed. After rinsing, gently pat your hands dry with a clean towel rather than rubbing them aggressively. Final result, look at how clean, fresh, and moisturized the hands look and feel after the treatment. Remember, this isn't an overnight miracle treatment, and results can vary from person to person. If your skin tolerates the ingredients well, you can consider using a gentle version of this type of hand care routine, occasionally, rather than overdoing it. And always stop immediately if you experience burning, redness, itching, or irritation. Outro. If you found this homemade hand care idea useful, give this video a like and share it with someone who loves simple DIY skincare. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical homemade beauty and care ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.